Hello, my name is Daryl Jackson. I wanted to give a little bit of a tip today. Have you ever tried to post a resume on let's say, LinkedIn, and wonder why you did not get a response back? You probably did a couple hundred. I'm hearing a lot of people are doing these posting for these applications and 100 and 200 different applications and no response. Well, the problem may be that you're posting for something and you're not hitting those keywords that you need to hit to. What I mean is, most companies have these ATS or these applicant tracking systems that allow them to be able to kind of screen through what are the best resumes that are coming through, meaning that they're looking for keywords that basically are highlighted on those job descriptions. In this video, I'm going to make sure that I provide my link for you to be able to get access to this. And what you're going to do is you're going to upload your resume and you're going to also download the job description of the job. Not every resume is going to be the same. So what you want to do is make sure before you apply to any job, use that job description and make sure that your keyword system also matches as much as possible of that job description. So keep in mind, if it's less than 75%, most companies usually discard them or don't pass, they don't make it to the next level. And so you may be qualified, but because of the low scoring or ranking that you made on your post for your resume, it scores so low, it gets discarded and you get passed over. So what I want you to do is use my link, try it out. And if you need help, please let me know. I just wanted to provide a little bit of a tip for you today. Have a great one and good luck to you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.